Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to see chicken biryani. Now let us see the ingredients. Take 1.5 tomato. Take 1.5 big onion. Take 2 green chilies. Take 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. Take the required spices. Wash and soak 1 cup of basmati rice for 20 minutes. Take 2 tablespoons of butter or ghee. Add the masala items to marinate the chicken. Take 3 tablespoons of curd. Take half a kg chicken, wash and clean it. Mix all the masala items and marinate the chicken. Set this aside for 1 hour. Take 1/4 cup of coriander leaves. Now heat a pan, add ghee or oil to it. Add the sliced onion. Saute the onion till it becomes golden. Add the required salt. Now add the green chilies. Also add the sliced tomato. Mix and saute well. Now the oil has separated. Add the marinated chicken. Lower the flame completely. Cover and cook until the chicken is soft and completely cooked. Pour 2 cups of water. Now test taste and add more salt if required. Stir slowly and gently. Bring the water to a rolling boil. Add the soaked and drained rice. Take a pinch of kasuri methi for flavor, it is optional. Now sprinkle the mint leaves. Gently mix well. Stir in between to check if the water has dried up. Now all the water has dried up. Switch off the flame. Our chicken biryani is ready to eat. Do like, share and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.